Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 review. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give you review about Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, and in my previous video, I posted unboxing of it. So if you haven't seen it, do go there and check it out. Also subscribe to my channel for more details videos. Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the features and its review. So first of all, Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 is the premium smartwatch from Samsung, and they have included everything that they can to compete against Apple Watch Series 6. So it's a really decent model, and it comes in two sizes. The bigger one is 45 mm and the smaller one is 42 or 43 mm. So here in this video I'm going to give you my overview of the features. Also I'm going to tell you what are its main important features and what are its implications. So without further ado, let's begin with the video. So basically this monitor comes with, or rather I would say that it has an advanced health monitor. So basically what does it means that it can monitor all your health activities, it can track in real time, so that you will always be ready with your ready data that will give you what is your health representing and what are the effects that you are doing your personal exercise or any physical activity. So as Samsung is very particular about their commitment towards the health of their users, so this watches comes with many features. The most important is heart rate monitor. So it can monitor your heart rate on real time basis. Also it can track your sleep pattern, so it will tell you how much hours did you sleep, what were the deep sleep and what were the casual sleep. So it will also tell you whether you have any kind of sleep issues. Another thing is its design. So it comes with leather strap, and the base variant comes with many other designs. So it feels really premium, and these are the two colors as you can see on the monitor. So in my unboxing video I had the black color variant, which is really nice, and it is for the male user, but as you can see there are many variants, so it is all up to your personal preference which one you choose. The quality of the watch is very premium, the material used is really premium, and the leather is very nice and it fits your hand perfectly. It is not like a strap, so you can actually wear it like you would any quality watch from any other device. So it has a precision rotating bezel for app navigation. So in previous version of Samsung app Active and other apps, so Samsung discontinued this feature, but they have bring back this feature. So basically the dial will rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise, and by rotating the dial you will be able to select the menu. I did it on my unboxing video, I showed it, so do check that video guys. Also there are two sizes available and two colors. The one is Mystic Black and the another one is Mystic Silver. That is the 45 mm variant. The smaller variant has two colors, one is Mystic Bronze and the another one is Mystic Silver. So here you can see all the two variants, their design, but since I had this variant with me, so I am going to discuss its features and its review. So as you can see it's really nice, and feature wise it's very rich and very premium. It comes with many colors. So the display size is really nice, and it is about 15% lighter as compared to the previous models. So yes, it is really similar for comfort wear. It is very comfortable to wear. You won't feel any kind of itchiness in your hand, and you can wear it all day long. The weight is a little bit more if you ask me, but if you are using it on regular basis you won't feel the difference and you will get hang to it. So quality is premium quality. So basically the Galaxy Watch 3's design is polished off with a premium genuine leather strap, and it is an aged leather and it will give you a natural look. So when you turn it over, it is a strengthened leather that protects against discoloration. So that is the most important thing. The leather will not be discolored easily. Also look wise it looks really nice, and in your hand it looks like you are wearing a very powerful device. So it's a nice gadget to have, and it will definitely grab some eyeballs. So it has over 40 complications on combination, and see the useful information which can used as while easily accessing your favorite apps. So basically the display is really nice. It comes with many faces, and each day you can select multiple number of faces as per your choice, and every face will work differently, so it looks like every day you are wearing a new watch, and it will definitely impress your peers. So now talking about health, because that is the only reason people are going for smartwatches now, because they are very conscious about their health and everyone wants to stay fit in their prime. And if you are performing some activity or your goal is to achieve your weight loss or getting into a perfect shape, you will need all the help that you can get. And these smartwatches are really cool features because it does sync with your iPhone or your any Android smartphone, and it will share the details on real time basis. So it will create a report on your monthly basis, so you can actually track your fitness and your activities. So these are the new features. So the most important feature I found is that it has inbuilt oxygen measurement. So SpO2 levels that we really see nowadays to check whether you are COVID positive or not, your oxygen supply is not okay. So it uses red LED and infrared rays to estimate your SpO2 levels. So basically it measures the amount of oxygen which is in your bloodstream, and it also tells you the physical performance. So you can use Galaxy Watch 3 to push your routine to the next level. And it also detects your fall. So basically, like I explained in my previous video, all of a sudden you happen to fall, or just you had any kind of attack, cardiac attack, or any kind of physical emergency situation, it will automatically detects hard falls, and it has an enhanced accelerometer, and it will send an SOS to your emergency contact with your location. So any near and dear ones will be notified as soon as they detect a fall. So it's a really important feature. It can prevent any kind of catastrophe or any kind of unwanted situation. And it also tracks your sleep, so it records your REM cycles, deep sleep and total sleep time, and it will help you to improve the quality of your rest. And it has partnered with National Sleep Foundation, so it can also include educational content and sleep tips. So it will help you understand to improve your sleep. So this is very important feature, because my dad bought this watch because he was not having perfect sleep and he was having sleep issues, so he needed to track their sleep pattern. So they purchased the watch, my dad. So he is now really happy because he can actually track everyday sleep and can make the arrangements accordingly. Also, the most important thing is, so whenever your body starts moving, just like you can pick from your phone and cast to your TV or do anything time, it will real time calculate the heart rate. So whatever physical activity you are performing, it will definitely help you a lot regarding that. So it will also give you running analysis, so it lets you keep pace as you get tips on the go. So advanced algorithm analysis, how you move to help inform your form and prevent injuries. And it can even measure VO2 max values and keep up with your daily, week and monthly performance right from the phone. So basically, as you can see in this chart, it will tell you how much time was your activity, your running matrices. So here you can see what was the contact time. So it will also let you know about the asymmetry, whether it was good or right. So it is really important feature. So it is for those people who wants to get your fitness really seriously. And it has smartphone level power. So basically this watch is a small smartphone. It has all the features. You can take and attend and receive calls, you can also make calls, and you can easily see your notifications, your messages, and you can quickly respond to it without having any issues. So no matter where your phone is, you can always keep your conversations going. So when you get a new text, Galaxy Watch 3 shows your chat history, so you can effortlessly follow the conversation. And also you can see images without an extra tap. So basically, even if you are sending some images, it will be shown to your screen, so no issues there. And also you can use many features like smart reply, analysis text and photos you receive and gives you suggested replies. So basically you don't have to type everything, just there are suggested replies. So let's say you are eating, celebrating or doing any stuff, you can just give the standard reply which is already present. So it will analyze your conversation and give you the recommendations. And there are many features. So while communicating with someone, please, it will help you a lot. So you can also hear music. So it has inbuilt Spotify app. By using this app you can listen to your music on the go, and it can teams up with other apps. So basically it is compatible with other app like Find My Phone, so you can find your phone. It also has gallery feature, so your exact phone gallery will be visible in the Galaxy app. You can also set reminders. So basically many apps that you have on your phone can be accessed via the Galaxy Watch, and it's a really cool feature. The most important feature that I purchased this watch is LTE, basically 4G SIM. It supports eSIM, so you can still call, stream and check your steps all from your watch, and even you are disconnected from your phone, you won't have to worry about that. So here, as you can see, you can take the call or you can reject the call. It will show all the data regarding which SIM is working, and it's like a smartwatch screen. So this is the most important feature to getting this watch, because not only you are getting another phone like security, but also you will never be disconnected from your phone even while you are working or doing some stuff that you are not near your phone. So it will also make you connected to your near and dear ones. Now there are three features which are not that important, but I thought that I would share this with you. So one is, it is IP68 rating, so it is water and dust resistant. So even if you are deep diving into the swimming pool, you won't be having any trouble regarding that. It also had MIL STD 810G military grade durability. So basically this watch is conforming to the military style extreme weather and temperature with durability, so it won't break easily. That's it for now guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for staying on my channel. I will see you on my next video.